We finally made it, dude.
I know. For a walk.
Oh, look at this thing.
So far.
Woohoo. Bam. Vegan cheese. Got the avocados on there. And got some, what do we got in here?
Breadsticks and avocado for Ari Graham.
Bam.
Oh, we get locked in here?
No. Alright, so Ari got me It's so cool. So let me show you. So if you get like an apple like this, you stick it in here, like this part goes into here, like that, and I'll just add some vegan butter, like how it says like that, but I'll add vegan butter, some cinnamon, bake it 325, 20 minutes. It's like a baked apple, or like it's almost like an apple pie without crust. So I'll just put vegan butter on top and cinnamon. But if you didn't know, I love apples. Love them. Anything apple. Pie, apples. We got some apples. We got some apple cinnamon up in this. I mean, this right here is the best hot apple cider.
You know how people take people to like wine country, like for their anniversary? Took you to the apple farm.
Don't hold your hands out, just walk. Dude, that was hard. The rock stack is popping.
Huh?
The rock stack.
Yeah.
Look at street.
Dude,
What it looks like.
these rocks are like so smooth, they're like so good for swimming.
All right, so it's day 3, Smoky Mountain National Park, guys. This place is dope. So I didn't realize, I thought when I was at the top of the mountain, it was like, it was like 5,000. They said, well, almost to 6. It was just closed off, but I didn't realize, I thought when I was up there, the clouds, I thought those clouds that was coming, but I didn't realize that the reason the mountains are called Smoky Mountains, the mountains actually put off smoke. So that's actually what that was, not clouds. So man, we're gonna go hiking adventure. At the bottom though, it was literally all the snow melted, but up here at the top, we're on our way up to the top, all the snow's back, man. Super stoked. So the higher we get, it's gonna be deeper snow. So it's gonna be fun, man. Let's get into this hikey hike. Woo! I love these little rocks though.
Yo, look at this thing. It looks crazy. Here, I'll grab it. Look at this. This one. Yeah, that's cool.
I like the way it sounds.
It's fine, it's fine. It barely dips. This is so cool.
Yeah, and there's no bear out here right now because they're hibernating.
Where do you want to go?
Go straight. So that was the first time really running in like hiking boots. They feel actually pretty comfortable. They're definitely not trail running shoes, but not bad, boys. Not bad. Okay, well, let's go.
Can you guys go slower though?
Yeah.
Yeah, but we go slower. Going faster.
Yeah, look at this. Somebody else look at this.
Bye-bye, Small Wonderland. Smell that smell?
Not in there. Oh!
What was that?
Why is everyone doing that? Oh, yours sounds cheesy.
Just do it.
Someone started to sing
Oh my gosh! It's like we spin our mic when we play.
Okay. Stop, Sean, please.
All right, so normally on vacation, you know, you have fun during the vacation, but then you're ready to go home. Well, this is the first time really going to like somewhere that's big mountains. You know, I've been to, of course, mountains in Maryland, Pennsylvania, but not like a Smoky Mountains. These are the big daddies. I definitely don't want to, this is one of the vacations that I'm not too excited to go back home. Definitely got the hiking bug. Super, super fun. Hiking's right up there with running for me, I feel like. And I never actually hiked before. I mean, other than through just regular trails, I never like hiked up a mountain. So this was like definitely #1 for vacations. It definitely makes me want to move to like somewhere there's mountains like Utah or Colorado. It's just mad fun, guys, mad fun. So if you ever have a chance to go to somewhere there's some big mountains, I mean, even like Pennsylvania or Virginia, they got some pretty big ones too, but something about the Smoky Mountains, man. And then after you like learn about them, like, you know, thinking it's like clouds up top, but it really is like the mountains smoking. It's just super awesome to see. Hey man, tripping back to Florida, so I'm not gonna make you guys endure that pain, so see you when I get there.
Proceed to the route.